Let's talk about washing soda. You might have seen this white powder in your house. We use this to clean our clothes and remove dirty stains. And if you specifically do not have this powder, then you might be using some detergent or washing soap which are made up of washing soda. So let's see what exactly is washing soda and how is it made and what are its uses. So washing soda, it is chemically known as sodium carbonate decahydrate. Let's write down its chemical formula. See, sodium carbonate is Na2CO3 carbonate, and deca, this means 10, and hydrate, this stands for water, so 10H2O. So Na2CO3 dot 10H2O, this is the chemical formula of washing soda. And this 10H2O, this refers to water of crystallization. And don't worry if you haven't studied about this yet. We will talk about water of crystallization in a great detail in a separate video. So for now, the formula of washing soda is Na2CO3 10H2O. Now let's see how to make it. So technically speaking, if you have sodium carbonate or Na2CO3 and you add 10 molecules of H2O to it, so you should get your washing soda, right? But you might be wondering, Ram, how do I get Na2CO3? So for this, we use baking soda. We take the help of baking soda. The formula of baking soda is NaHCO3, sodium hydrogen carbonate. And you know, when we heat it, it decomposes to give us Na2CO3. So let's heat it, and the equation will look something like this. When you heat it, it decomposes to give Na2CO3, and H2O and CO2, they are evolved out. So you can use the Na2CO3 from here, add water to it, and get your washing soda. So if you don't have washing soda at home, but you do have baking soda, then you can heat this in your microwave and get Na2CO3. And from this, you can make your own washing soda. Just be very careful of one thing. There will be a lot of carbon dioxide gas being evolved. And inhaling this could be dangerous to us, right? So just be very careful while doing this at home. Now, one more thing. See, the formula of washing soda and baking soda, it seems very similar, right? They both have sodium and they both have carbonate also. It's just that baking soda has an extra hydrogen and washing soda is without hydrogen. And also washing soda has extra water in it, whereas baking soda doesn't. So when I studied them for the first time, I used to get confused between their formulas, between washing soda and baking soda all the time. So I made up this method. I said washing soda has extra water in it because washing requires water and it does not have hydrogen. Whereas baking soda, it on the other hand does not have water but has hydrogen in it. And that's how I used to remember them. Okay, now that we saw how to prepare washing soda from baking soda, I hope you also remember how to make baking soda. We saw that in the video of baking soda, right? See over here, you can guess the reactants. Like we see over here sodium in the formula. So maybe this is coming from sodium chloride. And we see hydrogen. So this could come from water, H2O. And carbon, this can come from carbon dioxide, CO2. So yes, the three reactants are NaCl, water and carbon dioxide. But there was a fourth reactant also, which I generally forget. And that is ammonia, NH3. So the reactants will be NaCl plus H2O plus CO2 plus ammonia, NH3. All of these four will react to give me baking soda and NH4Cl will be formed. And when this baking soda is heated, this will decompose to give me Na2CO3, which will combine with water to give us washing soda. And hopefully with this, you can see the importance of NaCl. See, NaCl, the common salt that we use in our kitchen, does not only give this salty taste to our food, but it is also used to prepare amazing compounds like baking soda and washing soda. And these compounds have many other important uses. So that's why the common salt NaCl is very important in our everyday life. Now let's look at some common uses of washing soda. So as the name suggests, washing soda, it's commonly used for washing purposes. See, it can remove some tough stains from your clothes. And it can also reduce the hardness of water. See, water can sometimes have some minerals dissolved in it, like magnesium carbonate or calcium carbonate or some other minerals. Now these minerals can make it hard for soap to show its cleaning property. Soap would not be able to make foam when mixed in hard water, and that's why it would not be able to clean properly. Now when we mix washing soda in this hard water, the molecules of this washing soda, they will attach themselves. They will bind themselves to these minerals and they will take them out. And therefore, the soap will be able to make a lot of foam and will be able to clean properly. Now, because of these reasons, washing soda is a common ingredient for making washing soaps. Now, apart from these, washing soda is also used to make glass. It can be mixed with silica and some other compounds to make soft glass. And also, since washing soda has sodium in it, it can be used as an ingredient to make some sodium compounds. So another use is to make sodium compounds. For example, borax. See, borax is also used for cleaning things, and it can also be used to kill some insects like ants. So these are the uses of washing soda. Now with this, let's summarize the video. So in this video, we saw what is the chemical formula of washing soda. And don't forget the water of crystallization in it. We will talk about that in detail in a separate video. And we also saw how to prepare washing soda from the very beginning, from NaCl in fact. NaCl to baking soda to washing soda. Remember all these steps, okay? And we also saw many uses of washing soda. I hope you are able to recall all of these things. And in case you forgot any of these, you can go back and watch the video again.